So not only do you want to try to save money on materials where you can, and you're not always capable of doing that, you might want to consider things like this product, which is JB Welds Wood Restore and Liquid Hardener, which we're using to put on the raw ends of these 2x6s on this deck so that they will last longer. They tend to rot here because moisture gets in the crack and stays and doesn't get out and doesn't dry off as quick. So to make that last longer, where we put the cut in and on the ends of the boards themselves, we put that on there. And I'll just use a brush, cheapy brush, and wipe it on. So you might try that too, and just thought I'd let you know some of the things I'm doing. See ya.